Okay, so this is Stuck in the Middle with You by Steeler's Wheel. So we're gonna have this D7 to start us out. Open 2, 1, 2. We're gonna kind of hit the bass first and then this high note. And then we have a little melody. Have the open on the E string to the 3 and the 1 on the B string. Might hit a little bass note before that next melody. Kind of keep a strum going there. Jenga, jenga, jenga. We're going to do that twice. We're going to settle into this new rhythm. Down, up, 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 down, up, 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 up. So you want to staccato those chords between down, up, and then you want to stop those. You can stop over here by releasing the tension on the chord, and also here by muting all the strings. So our strum pattern for this tune is down, up, 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 up. That's our pattern. So let's try that. 3, 4. So after 4 of those, the singing starts, and we do 4 more. G7, and then back, now we're going to A. For the A you could do a 1, 2, 3, and 4, or you could do like a 1 and 2 and 4 and, up to you. Now we're going to go C to G, and then back to D7. Okay, so we're gonna go. Okay, or you could also go. And then we have another verse. Four of these. G7. We have this change, G7 here. We have a kind of a new strum. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then back to our D7 with its strum. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2. Then we're gonna hold a D, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 2, and A, and 2, and 3, and 4. And D. So let's look at that whole change again. So we have G7 we're going to go to 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. G. D. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. To A. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. D7 and. A verse again. We got 4 of these. G7 and back. A. Now we have a solo, same thing. G7, back, A, C to G, D7 for 4, now you got your like last verse. So that's basically all the kind of stuff that's going on there. So let's look at this D7 rhythm. So if we didn't staccato that, it would just be. So it's a really cool technique to be able to see these fingers can do a certain amount, but they can't get that string that they're not fretting at that time. That's where your right hand can get all those open strings that you might not be able to stop with these fingers here. So that's a good thing to try to practice, to see if you can get your palm to go in there and stop these strings. Stuck in the Middle with You also has a cool kind of a driving boogie woogie kind of rhythm to it. So we could also get into a rhythm thing like this. So let's look at that. So we got the big string open, the D. We have the 2 on the G string. So this is one of those honky-tonk boogie woogie things. You could simplify this into like a one of those types of things. Tons of ways to do it. This one's kind of like. So 2 2 4 2 4 2 2 4 5 5 4 4, that kind of thing. 5 5 4 2 2 4 2 2 4 5 5 4 2. Try that. 2 3 and. Now when we want to go to the next chord, the G chord, we're going to have open G and 3rd fret of the B string. Use this 5 here. Up to the 6. So 6 6 5 3. And then we have our A. And then we have our C. The G. So try that. 2 3 and. Down to G. C to the G to the D. Now we got our bridge. Hold the D, 2 and 3 and 4 to the A, 2 and 3 and D and. So let's break that down a little slower one more time. 2 3 4 and. Take it down, G. And you do have to be careful where you're picking the strings there, because you could easily like hit that bigger one and it would kind of muddy up what you're going for. To the 6. Back. You got your A, C to G, So that's about the speed you want to eventually get to, you know. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.